you have to be a natural to be good in front of a camera. It takes one too many takes and one too many videos and lots and lots of practice to keep getting better at it. So for all you people who are afraid to be in front of a camera, don't give up the dream. Keep doing what you're doing. Eventually, I promise you, you will get there. And to prove you that, watch my next video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get a good laugh. So guys, today we are about to prepare one of the most searched recipes on YouTube. About cooking noodles is that you could always change the ingredients. If you don't want to use the oyster sauce, you can always use the Kichwan. Try to imitate this thing, but trust me, I couldn't even get close. It's a very well-known brand and it's called Lago. It's one of my favorite chili pastes that I like to use by a brand called Lago. Chili paste to use, and it's called by a brand called Lagana Wama. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube shows. And she went all the way to Serbia to such a wonderful journey. So simply thank you, Simply. It's not. Wow, Simi was such a... Wow, Simi. I could see when you mentioned that. The curry leaf. You are right. Unfortunately, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about because now I'm so food. This is spicy, but I could handle the heat. So thank God. Wow, Simi. So for today's recipe, we will be using a 6 pounds, 12. So for today's recipe, we will be using a 12-pound, 6-month-old lamb. Now remember guys, every region has its own spices, particular spices that they use to cook the crook. Very special person to join us in this kitchen to show us and help us how to cook a wow. Hello everyone and welcome back to another late. As long as you have the right ingredients to make a mix in your falafel mixture, and that is baking powder. Now baking powder is that cotton feeling texture that you want in your falafel. Ingredients together. There's one So I've been asked, how do I prepare and marinate my what are we marinating again? So we're gonna be marinating our lamb cubes today in lots of onion juice.